Hello everyone, welcome back to our new video. In this video, I will give you more information about the top 5 best waterproof GoPro selfie sticks that are available on the market. Actually, I made this list based on their quality, price, popularity, durability, user opinion, and more. If you need more information about these products, please check the link description section below. Don't forget to subscribe to this channel to view future videos. Okay, so let's get started with the video. Starting at number 5, we have GoPro El Grande. The GoPro El Grande extends to an extravagant 38 inches in length when fully extended. However, you can also collapse it to 15 inches when you need to pack it inside your travel backpack or duffel bag. This selfie stick features an integrated ball and socket design at the end of the pole, letting you adjust your camera angle without needing to unmount your camera. Furthermore, this GoPro selfie stick has a premium oversized grip that lets you use both hands when it's fully extended. In addition, the El Grande features a twist lock design for quick and easy access. The waterproof design is also perfect for riding wave runners, wakeboarding, or hiking through wet environments. Moving on at number 4, we have GoPro Shorty. The GoPro Shorty is a pocket-sized selfie stick that's the perfect partner for on-the-go adventures and travels. Although the collapsed length is only 4.6 inches, you can extend it out to 8.9 inches for group pictures, selfies, and other hard-to-reach angles. It also features tripod flaps that you can expand to prop your GoPro on any level surface. Therefore, you can easily get a new Shorty if you accidentally damage it while traveling and shooting content. However, the best part of the GoPro Shorty is how small and lightweight it is. You can comfortably fit it into any backpack or travel bag. To paint a picture of how small this selfie stick is, it's only a tad bit longer than your camera. At number 3, we have Hapuva Selfie Stick. The Hapuva Selfie Stick is an incredibly affordable GoPro selfie stick that's compact and lightweight. In addition, you can extend the selfie stick from 7 to 19 inches, offering lots of flexibility when shooting GoPro content. Also, the Hapuva Selfie Stick has a rubber grip that's easy on the hands and very comfortable to hold. It also offers a secure grip, so you don't have to worry about the selfie stick slipping out of your hand, even if they're sweaty. You can tie the included strap around your wrist to keep your GoPro camera as safe as possible. This selfie stick features 3 extension lengths with a convenient twist lock feature, offering easy adjustability. At number 2, we have GoPro 3-Way Grip Tripod Selfie Stick. This is an official GoPro tripod selfie stick. What this means is it will only function with your GoPro. It has a 3-way grip to give you the versatility you want when it comes to filming and taking pictures. It can be used as a camera grip, extension arm, or as a tripod to give you the ultimate convenience. The entire selfie stick is waterproof, so you can take underwater video and images without having to worry about damaging your tripod. The tripod itself is stored right in the handle to keep it from being a bulky item. It also gives you easy access for when you want to use it in a different manner. The folding arm makes it easy to capture selfies without the mount appearing in the shot. The handle doubles as a camera grip and stores a lightweight mini tripod that can be used on its own or combined with the handle. And finally, at number 1, Futuretech Professional Selfie Stick. No longer struggle to take the perfect video or selfie when you are using a GoPro camera or your smartphone. All you need is this professional selfie stick. Just like the name states, this is a professional selfie stick. What this means is it comes with all the tools you need to capture the perfect image. This selfie stick even has a Bluetooth remote, which means that you connect your device via Bluetooth to this selfie stick and you can control all the pictures and videos you take via the remote that it comes with. Thank you for watching, guys. I hope you like this video. If this video helps you, please make sure to like, comment, and subscribe. If you have any questions related to these products, you can comment down. I hope back to you as soon as possible.